This is Joshua getting frustrated. He wants to pull all of his toys down and put them in his mouth. The monkey and the giraffe are not cooperating. Joshie! Joshua! Joshie! Why are you getting so mad? Don't get frustrated. Oh! You want mommy to give you the giraffe? Should I give it to you? Let's see. Look! You got it now! Oh! There goes the giraffe. How about the monkey? You want the monkey now? Take the monkey. Go ahead. Joshie, you only have the birdie left. The bird? No. Now what are we gonna do? How about this? Does that taste good? Is that good, Joshie? Is that what you wanted? Look at those sweet teeth.